Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to share 5 things you could do right now to start investing in properties. If you like this video or any of my videos, hit the like button below, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of these videos. So in this short video, I'm going to share how you could actually start properties right now without even thinking about it, basically. So these 5 hints and tips, utilize them. It will change your life and take you to the next level. Number one thing you need to do is to educate yourself. Very important. You could either pay for your mistakes or pay for your education. Educate yourself in properties. Whatever strategy you want to get into, educate yourself. You can go online, learn about it. There are free property investment courses. There are free property crash courses. Go out there, learn, and also find potential business partners, potential investors. And if you have to pay for some of these courses, pay for it, because free courses sometimes have so many gaps in them. So if you go there, unless they're genuinely giving you lots of education, you want to go to these paid advanced courses so that you can learn. Some of these courses cost about pennies based. Some of them are subscription based as well. So you can go there, binge study, educate yourself. Then if you want to delete your subscription or unsubscribe, you could always do that. But before you get to properties, I advise you to actually educate yourself, immerse yourself in the strategy that you want to do. And again, don't go out there wanting to do all this strategy. It's good to know about the strategies out there, but educate yourself in one, specialize in it, and you go out there and do it. Number 2, have a goal, have a gigantic goal, right? If you want to achieve anything in life, all the successful people I've met, the millionaires and successful property tycoons have made, they all got goals, believe it or not, right? They've got these goals written in their houses. Some of them got them in their bedrooms, toilet, bathroom, reception room. The goals are written everywhere. I've seen one crazy one, like myself. My goals are written in literally in front of my door, so it's literally there. So I see it every single day. I walk past it, I kiss it, I hug it, I did everything to it. So you have to have that goal. If you don't have goals, you won't get there, right? You wouldn't get to where you want to get, because there's no drive, right? There's no drive. So you have to have that drive, and the goal is like the drive to actually get you to where you want to go. And again, don't set easy goals. Don't set goals that you don't really have to work hard to achieve those goals, because this is what most people do. They set really small goals, and some of them achieve it, but they don't really feel fulfilled, right? Because they haven't worked hard to actually get it. But if you set gigantic goals, even if you hit 60 or 70% of those goals, you've done absolutely amazing. So set goals, gigantic goals, and make sure you work towards them. What you need to do then, once you've set your goals, you have to have a why around it. Why is like the fuel that would actually get you to shoot off, okay? So you need to know why you're doing what you're doing, right? Are you doing it for your family? Are you doing it for your parent? Are you doing it for your children? Are you doing it for your community? Are you doing it for whatever your why is? You need to bring that emotion into it, because once you bring emotion into your why or into your goals, it gets you to actually wake up at 2 in the morning doing what you want to do to get to where you want to go. So suppose you want to, say, get 10 properties a year. You need to set that, bring that in with emotions, right? If the emotions are not there, you will struggle to actually achieve the goals, because there's no motivation there. Successful people, what I've read about them, people are successful based on 2 reasons. Either they're running towards pleasure or running away from pain. In most cases, when you run away from pain, you get more successful. Suppose you set these goals, you haven't got drive. Just think about the worst case scenario, saying, okay, if you haven't achieved your goals, if you've got a girlfriend or husband or wife, whoever that person, they will dump you, your family will not believe in you, and you would have proved your family that you cannot achieve anything, especially if they don't believe in you. And just find something emotional and attached to it. So you think the worst case scenario that could happen to you if you haven't achieved your goals, right? And then put that, make sure you literally sink in, right? Sink into your bloodstream everywhere in you. That's what gets you to do what you want to do. If not, then if there's no emotion in it, right, it doesn't really drive you, right? And again, attaching of emotion, visualizing yourself achieving these goals, looking back, a year from now, seeing you've achieved these goals, you've maybe bought the car you wanted, you've bought the property you wanted, you've got the girl or boy you wanted, and you got married, whatever that amazing emotions would be. So bring that in, do the pain and do the pleasure, bring them together, and then future forecast yourself, really seeing in your mind's eye that you achieve these goals. So once you've done that, I believe you me, you would conquer and achieve the goals. So go out there, stop this video now if you haven't done it. Go out there, set your goals, get the emotions in it, get the positive emotion and the negative emotion, and make sure you write them down and put them where you can see them every single day. Morning, evening. If you have to do it in the afternoon, do it in the afternoon so you can see these goals. Attach that emotion to it. Number 3, have the mindset, right? So I'll tell you the honest truth, okay? 80% of success in property is mindset. Only 20% is the skills. So you have to have the mindset. You have to believe in yourself and surround yourself with people who got the same mindset as you are. If you haven't got those people around you, so you have to have that self-motivation mindset, something that could motivate you, can tell you, yes, you can do it. By basically looking at yourself in the mirror, saying you can do it, you're an action taker, you are a very successful person, you are a go-getter, whatever motivates you or gets you into that frame of mind that would get you to do whatever you want to do. I do that to myself every morning. Talk to myself like I'm crazy. Sometimes my wife thinks I'm crazy talking to myself, saying I'm an action taker, I am a go-getter, I can achieve my goals, I am relentless, I am positive, I am a happy person. I say all these silly things to myself because that gets me in the mindset and the mood to go out there and actually kill it. And the thing is, the mind doesn't distinguish what's real and what's fake. Whatever you feed your mind, it literally take it in and actually becomes a real thing. So you have to have that strong mindset that would allow you to go out there constantly, consistently, and persist to get you to where you want to go. Number 4, surround yourself with people who are doing or who has already done what you want to do. The importance of doing this, again, it helps you with your mindset, right? If you're with people who are doing what you want to do, you would always talk about it. Right? You would hang around and talk about it. You would go wherever you want to go talking about it. You surround yourself with these people. Guess what? That would rub in you, right? Especially if you're very difficult to motivate or to be self-motivated. So if you surround yourself with these people, they will rub that effect in you, and you would always talking about the property. How do you surround yourself with these people? There are property events out there, property seminars, they've got landlord forums, you have local property mates, whatever it is. Surround yourself with these people so that you would be in the zone, and you can also let people know about what you do that way. And then guess what? People then would know you, and they will start bringing deals to you or discussing properties with you or discussing about joint venture partnerships. So you go out there, surround yourself with successful people. And again, if you think this video is really, really helpful, don't forget to share it with friends and family. And number 5, ready, fire, aim, go, right? Take action, right? Don't just go network with people, educate yourself. If you don't take action, it doesn't get you anywhere. So take the action, okay? Go out there, look for property deals, look for investors, right? Go and analyze deals, make friends with estate agencies, start doing your leaflet drops, start sending your letters directly to motivated sellers. Don't wait for compliment. Don't wait someone to recognize you. You just go out there and do it, and prepare to get knocked down. Right? The only time you fail is when you give up, okay? Don't give up. You go out there, do it, motivate yourself, encourage yourself, tell yourself you can do it no matter what, and you can go out there and do it. And I promise you, if you do that, you will change your life of the people around you, and also be able to give back to your community as well as your extended family. So I really hope this video has been helpful. If it has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like button below, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of these videos. I look forward to sharing the next video.